The Convocation of students of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Ustm, situated at 9th Mile, BARIDUA, was held on the 15th of December 2021 at the Central Auditorium of the university. Degrees were distributed to students on their achievements in various examinations conducted by the university. During the ceremony, 6 KHASI students, namely IBANTEIRI LYNGDOH, JENNEFER Judy Brown RYMBAI, DATHEW KHARKONGNGOR, IBANNYLLA SUTING, EBANITA LAPANG and DUSYANSAR MAWLONG, were awarded gold medals for their achievement in the undergraduate examinations. As many as 1,332 students had received degrees in various exams conducted by the university that include undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral degrees. Certificates and medals to all achievers were presented by the Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Mehbubul Haq. The Honorary Doctorate of Science was awarded to the Director Kachar Cancer Hospital and Padma Shri, Dr. Ravi Kannan, and to the Professor of Medicine, Wright State University, USA, Dr. Abdul Wase, while the Honorary Doctorate of Letters was awarded to Editor-in-Chief, Prague News, Prashanta Rajguru.
Dear students, I am aware that you have made many sacrifices for better performance and earn your degrees. At the same time, it's quite important on this occasion to recognize the efforts and sacrifices of those who have supported you on this journey. This includes your family members, your teachers, and the institution from where you are graduating.